AR-5 Lifeboat drone, utilizing AI-powered equipment to save lives at sea. TEKEVER, a prominent European leader in unmanned aerial systems, UAS, recently achieved a milestone in maritime safety through the successful deployment of a lifeboat from its AR-5 drone. The groundbreaking technology was demonstrated during a search and rescue exercise conducted by the Italian Coast Guard in partnership with the European Maritime Safety Agency, EMSA. The AR-5 drone, equipped with optical and infrared cameras, a maritime radar, an AIS receiver, and an emergency position indicating radio beacon antenna, showcased its ability to deploy a lifeboat for up to 8 people with high precision. The fully automatic operation of the drone relies on onboard sensors to detect vessels or humans on the water. Leveraging artificial intelligence, the drone calculates the optimal time to release the lifeboat close to the distressed vessel or person without human intervention, ensuring a timely and safe deployment. The system takes into account various factors, including weather conditions and flight plan restrictions, making it adaptable to a wide range of situations. This capability holds significant promise in reducing the 2,500+ marine casualties reported each year, as highlighted by EMSA in October 2023. TEKEVER, in collaboration with CLS, has been providing EMSA with maritime surveillance solutions using drones as a service since 2016. This cost-effective solution has already proven its efficiency, with nearly 2,000 hours of flights and almost 300 missions conducted across Portugal, Italy, Spain, France, and the United Kingdom. Commenting on the successful demonstration, TEKEVER's CEO, Ricardo Mendes, said, "This successful demonstration by one of the leading maritime safety agencies is a fantastic endorsement of TEKEVER's cutting-edge technology. We look forward to continuing this partnership with EMSA to improve the surveillance of European waters and ultimately save lives." TEKEVER, recognized as a market leader in advanced unmanned aerial technology systems for maritime surveillance, has a rich portfolio that combines edge AI, satellite communications, and cloud computing. The company provides real-time information and advanced analytics through globally accessible web and mobile interfaces. Additionally, TEKEVER is acknowledged for its expertise in advanced satellite communication and networking systems for multi-satellite missions, including inter-satellite links, as well as satellite RF payloads for Earth observation and space exploration. With research and development, engineering, and production facilities in Portugal, France, and the United Kingdom, TEKEVER collaborates closely with a global network of partners to offer local support to customers worldwide. For more information, visit their website at www.tekever.com.